In this video, I'll show you how to fix can't play video. So if you can't be able to play your video on your device, your mobile, your iPhone or your Android, I'm going to show you how you can be able to do this. So this video is only for educational purposes only, so make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. Now what you need to do, go to your Play Store or Apple Store. I'm going to put my Apple Store. So come on here and download the VN video editor. So this is it. So you can be able to use this to do this. So this is it. So this is the VN video editor. So make sure you download it, because if you export to video using the VN video editor, if you can't be able to play video, it's going to be able to play. So I'm going to do this right now. So I'm going to go to the VN video editor. So this is it. So you're going to click on this plus icon. You're going to click on that new project. You're going to click on video based. So you're going to click on this save. So I'm going to go to my gallery and select that ACIAT video that was not playing. So I'm going to do that right now. Okay, so look at this video that was not playing before is now currently showing here if I'm using the VN video editor. So this is going to be it. So if you're having issues with playing a video and the video can't be able to play on your device, make sure you get the VN video editor and try this out. Once you're done, click on this. You can be able to set it to 4K or 2K. So like this is one thing I love about this. You can be able to adjust all this. So once you're done, click on the export. So it's going to be able to export your video and your video is going to be able to play. So if you find this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Let me know if this worked out well for you. I'll see you on the very next video.